this is Ashwini, watching Ashwini Taught channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply the hair colors, how to apply a color to a hair. So that's I'm going to share in this video. So before I'm going to my main video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like, share my channel. Okay. As more cases are increasing in India, so that's why even salons are also not open. So that's why I'm gonna color my hair in home only. So that's why I'm using this pack. That is Garnier Black Naturals Oil Enriched Cream Color. So mine shade. Today I'm gonna. This is the first time I'm going to apply this Garnier one. So let's try how it looks on my hair, and I want to try this natural brown. So mine shade is 4.0 natural brown like this, and the MRP price of this one is 37 rupees, and it reaches to me 37 only. In a local market or in a medical shop, it will definitely available. So this is what about the Garnier Black Natural Oil Enriched Cream Color. So here no ammonia, and they claim that 5x shiny and soft hair, 100% grey coverage. So though I don't have a grey, but I want to shade my hair with the natural. I want to color my hair with this type of brown color. So that's why I'm trying this kind of color. So I'm gonna try. I haven't colored my hair in a salon only, but now in this situation there is no more to go. It is very scary to go outside. So that's why I am now. I need to try this type of a hair color. So this is also I read many review on this one. So they told that this one is a very good brand. So that's why I'm gonna try this kind of a color, that is a Garnier Black Natural. So hopefully all Garnier products are very nice products. So that's why I'm gonna use this kind of a hair color. So this is what the hair color, and mine shade is 4.0 natural brown. So that's what I'm gonna use. So this is what I'm gonna use today. This one is a pouch. So for this you require these two pouches and one ball, and this one is a brush, and one is a taily comb, and the most important one is this one. Make sure you have to apply this Vaseline the boundary line of your head, okay, here and above this one, okay, above the ear pinna here and here. So this is a pouch of Garnier Black Natural. So this looks like this. Okay, I'm going to use only one pocket. One is enough for me. So that's fine. So those who are first time users, those will definitely gonna skin test. Okay, below your ear pinna, you're gonna just test here. So if any rashes, if any irritations occur, you definitely leave this kind of hair colors. Okay, do not apply these kind of hair colors to get irritation, or if you get a ready coloration below the ear. So you may leave these kind of hair color. Okay, if not, apply it. If not, if anything itchiness, redness not occur, you definitely gonna apply these kind of hair color. Okay, so this is what the pouch. I'm gonna use one pouch today. So this for mine also, this is the first time. I'm gonna test on my ear pinna. If it turns a red color or something irritation occurs me, I'm gonna leave this kind of color. So if not occur, then maybe I'm gonna apply. Okay, so this is what my color. Okay, so let's do this kind of a pouch. Okay, so here they gave this is what the instruction what letter. So what lies inside? One is a colorant sachet. What is this? Okay, this one is a developer, and this one is a colorant. First one this one, and another one is a colorant sachet. This sachet is a colorant, and this one is a developer. See, it looks like this, transparent, yellowish. So it looks like this, and the second one, this one, developer. Cut here, where the scissors sign is saying they have to cut, and pour on a colorant. This one is a white in color. Pour here. Okay. So this is what our colorant plus developer. Before that, have to wear a gloves. So I'm not getting any itchy and reddish discoloration behind my ear pinna, so that I'm gonna apply over apply over my hair. So before applying any kind of a hair color, so you just apply this Vaseline all over your this kind of a hairline. So boundary of your hairline. Okay, apply on your hairline bone, forehead. Okay, boundary of your head like this. If any leakage or by mistakenly if color fall on your head, so it doesn't look nice. So easily it not wash easily. So that you're gonna take all kind of a precautions and apply the color. Okay. And one most important thing is whenever you're going to apply color, no, take a head bath and afterwards only you have to apply. Without the head bath, if you're gonna apply, no, so hairs are dry hairs, and along with that, if any dirty present on your head, no, so maybe the dandruff arises. So that's why maybe the dandruff increases. So that's why you're gonna apply this kind of a color before after head. Okay, that's why you're gonna apply this kind of color after head bath. Okay, so this is after head bath, complete dry only. You're gonna apply this kind of a hair. So I applied Vaseline all over, not boundary of my hairline. So that's why here and also back part. Okay. So the next thing is to, I'm gonna make a partition of my hair. So that you need a comb like this. Take a crown section first, like this. Do not apply on your root of a hair. Apply over a hair. Okay. Okay, apply over hair only. Don't apply the scalp. Okay. Don't apply the over scalp. Okay. So the next one, take a like this. Very easy to apply these kind of hairs, these kind of colors over a hair. Okay, so next I'm gonna spread the color all over hair like this. This is what the spreading. Okay. Next step is to next section. Here and the last section. You can, if your hair is very thick and you have a very thick hairs, so you can take a 2 pouch and mix it well and apply all over your hairs. Okay, so this is what the spreading of a color. Don't, again and again I'm stressing on this one, don't apply on a scalp. Okay, as the color is very good, but don't apply any kind of a colors. Okay, and don't apply any kind of a color over a hair or a scalp. So this very easy to apply. Okay. And this one. Make sure if anything in any places you lay anywhere the color is not applied, and make sure all over the hair the color applied. Okay. Apply. So this is what my first side. Okay, spread like this. And tie like this. First section. Last only a comb. Next, take a second part of a hair, make a 2 sections again, like this. Okay. Make a 2 sections like this. Whenever you're gonna apply the hair colors, please remove all the tangles of your hairs before only, so that it will easy to apply the color on your hair. Every hair. So sorry, first section you have to apply them. So if the tangles remain same only, so all the hairs not, it's very difficult to apply the hair color on a hair if tangles remains. So that first only have to remove tangles and apply the hairs, apply the color afterwards. So if those who are of having a gray hairs, target the area where the gray hairs are more. First apply over that and afterwards have to apply the remaining hairs. Okay. Usually whoever are having a gray hairs, no, here only, in this part only. So they are having, this is the root of, this is the root part of head where the gray hairs are more. So that whenever you're going a partition, no, first to apply that part and afterwards apply the remaining parts. Okay, this is my first crown section. Next one, I'm gonna take another section. That they were written that in that leaflet they're gonna written that have to leave for 15 minutes after application. So that I'm gonna leave this one for 15 minutes. Okay. After 15 minutes I will show you how it looks like. So use only normal water and clean it with the conditioner only. Do not use a shampoo. So shampoo become harsh on these developers and colorants, so that do not gonna use shampoo. Next day you're gonna use shampoo and clean whatever clean your hair. Okay, so today after hair color you're just gonna use conditioner only. Okay, don't use harsh water, use only normal water. Okay, so we'll see you after 15 minutes. Okay, and dry your hair with the natural air only. So don't use any kind of artificial air, so that it will give you a shiny hair, 5 years of shiny hair. Okay, we'll see you after 15 minutes. So this is how the after shower color. So now it may not visible, but after when we move to a sun rays, no, so it will gonna visible. So till completely not dried up, so that it will not visible. But after a complete drying, I will show you. It will definitely show a color of a brown. So this is what about the video. So thanks a lot for watching my video, and please do wash your hair with the normal waters and don't use the shampoo after hair color, and use a conditioner, and next day I'm going to use shampoo. Okay, so this is what the after result. And that's it for today's video. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Till then, please subscribe, like, share and subscribe my videos. Bye bye, see you in the next video.